Share this video. Yeah, that is Omila Kim. Let me cut some people for this small, short, for this beautiful evening. Share the video. Ude.
Devi vendere dell'oro usato. Acquistiamo il tuo oro a basso prezzo con trasparenza e serietà. Da questa troverai i bilanci digitali e otterrai un preventivo chiaro e trasparente. E più trasforme
Sharon OKPAMEN. Aqui nela não pague, não vou mudar a minha boca. Everywhere they are down, they didn't put any jelly.
be going with I get there. You must do mene. Ragmo. Society.
Sharon OKPAMEN, my beautiful sister. May your soul rest in perfect peace.
Share this video. That is Edawisi. I must greet you, my brother. Hello. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better star after that. Share this video. Let's go there. Hey, are you boy? Yo, hello. What's your name? Umakbalekia. Omila Kim. Now what's in your hand? Now be away for government. Nami on meha. Master said, "Waligo, see how very." Osa ku mek backbone de o do gari omogo Masu se gwaligo me Ti ya beri e o Osa ku mek backbone de o Saga de grando Saga de body o Brother yo saga de grand Ti ya beri e o Osa gun backbone o do gari omogo Obi me no yan you ku me Baby go bi ma ja na o Obi me no yan you ku me o Igbe gbona re do gari omogo Susegwaligo me, susegwaligo, susegwokone, susegwokamane, oh, me susegwokane. Awayon, Osegu me gbegbo, The red dog will go. Oh, we went on young you come out. By a cavap of your Mayana. The Bususa Yamagone. Here, Maria. The Buzo Yayam Winano. Here, Maria. Baby. The Bumet of Kino. Here, Maria. The Bususa Yam and we go. Here, Maria. The Bususa Yam. Iya Maria eu ibuwe totaye Iya Maria Atio sadera me useni seye magbon me o Ti yare eu ti ga minu yare la e so ma Don't do kin no ye Aya ka me ba No ye we po no ye Iye go agbe pado ya epade miame o gogo yin egbe pada wo wa ni meso fa yabo babo law egbe for national pistol rain Eddie is still on pending mo e baba with the smile your own saga is pending. Now first of all let me go straight to Omila Kim Omile miame Omila no hoa Omili gbiagia Omila sha ashi poto ashi kwokwo Milakin koyo do maria after most frustration mo dey you una wo magbana do ona a platform no kie platform mo me umana gbanu we biebi wa degi na mi we a torchlight a dot tafia me boya wo yo hero ya wuwe because we biebi we lawa a torchlight, a picture where the land on social media, a torchlight that I wear or yaguhi. Aya woowe. No one has soon would have been allowed to be lucky. If I bought time about ye, no one allowed not been a boa milaki, no bear. Very much I agree, sir. Umami matapata way, who soon will never go. No, I not be a bijou. No, I not boo. Don't have vibe wild than ever one. You know what? Abu war yeah, a microphone. You don't tell me the time I with you. You know what? Go work if you know why if you are. If you're pitoleti, if you're motor, you can never be my friend again. No matter the go you do on media. Amenayak muhune, I will go back. Amenayak muhune, I will you. Motawe, you are an evil, I have nothing to do with you again. Oh, no, we do what you know, my, you know, go, no, why you go ye, you be a gear, you know, man, no bash of a webo, you got to be back a webo, Sajina, you go to your man, no bashawo, where you know, no bashawo. Well, because of a sigidin waye, a sakmikan, a sakmiko, a sawele. Asakmikan aside biagia asa olosho asha ashi wele no wado gbe webo. So you want to because of that one gbiye gagban wa face from Vita to gbe o go gbiju ifie when they for a big so agwo unu wa biju for national peace parade. Yaka thousands of you put together isaga wakin bobozi oguhun as far as the one is concerned. If you don't know, go and ask the girl. No, we hear was war. If you hear a black president, the black president not be a go well, no, not belta. You don't know. Oh, you are brag. At that trust man, here got the adulterous man, and you see. Anyway, tabe a room in the government moon with kitchen. A kitchen narrow high, the government moon way. A platform man tar. Moimiwa, adulterous woman must stop, more bear. This is what I've been holding for so long. You understand? Nimiana bad trust with media. What yiki? What disturb me? My guy, what you mess with trust in a way? Who do well? That's one belly when you go water. because you never told me who the word. Walk away. Waviyego, Waverego, Wagiro, Urito brand price, I don't come on me. A family of Yak, Nona Sunguyego. That was on a Birak is when a whole ani. Oh, where are the Musesia? Wapa Muchacha Johnson. If I boil loud before national man of the frack of here, if you dare with me, you will know that I don't have anything to lose in this life. Me, no me, even your body you lose. That woman believer, me ma value anybody. That's what you don't understand. You go here activity with show me that. Eh ya bo agbewu, eh ya gele alowe. What na gele we? Then me I can put time bomb on my body. Ibu we ajewa. Igwo we ya no one. National peace to way. Mo memwe. You understand? Oh, ti when on zoo already on automatic crossing maternity adiogo. Ona go reverse back adewa. Ona ya believe we ti here fear for one eye. In ya ri go one. To sungu for national peace to way. Yeah. Oh, Titiakia, no go be no bell, no gumba na salawe. A barren way for your evil that you have been doing on media, for your atrocity. Oh, Titia do not say me or to no guma brag way. Who tell away the business then I want for talk show. No gum boy brag way. I want for talk show. Na been a bijou. Uga omo agbina gbelewa. Uyu nwe bie kwa mi, we no mi laki anyu nwe bie kwa mi. Ogun ba go na eva wo le mi laki wo agbon. Anwa fo talk show. Muhere. Omila Kim ekimi wa gbalo. Omila Kim ya no wo takpa. Na ye bilo ye ko e. E bilo ye. E do ta fe me boya ho we bebi no na wo to shi wo he. E bilo ya ho we. You know what? Mena ye below ye we ye go na screen. Ye go na go e bet ye na wegi. E bet ye go na shaky. You may ye below ye way. Abi? La ro mi yakin ho ho. Nu we ya di agbon na agbe yu we na. We be hon de we aye below ye come. O what is he ga ye below ye kian. O what is he we aye below ye we ya in no water. No yet ya zoa. Why na set you where we made because why? Ukban waru meru. We are only different lands. So who are warukbe bias. Ukbe watameru. We make beke ye go he. Kworo. Who ye go babe twe. What we recommend we yen yere. And then guys say la lion, he not the come. Papa go lick it, lick. He not go come. Before he got us okay, Papa go come in your house for Germany go they beat him. To the extent, Victor in son, they started to call police for Paigo. They could have warned their father, made their father not come that house again. Sister beat could beat their man. Before their man decided to go return black price. Negareba. Was I there? I did do my live video. I not send invitation to anybody. If go watch my video and she started the release. If go said she watched my video, she dey come. Only dance. Where are the dance? They make Iyego the squats. Social media now. Scatter for this year. I said this year it go bloody. I did Italy. Your husband know my name for Facebook. You know my name for my documents. And if you make me vex, I will post your photo for social media. Now make the talk. Not be joke. They don't share. When you were some boy, you will tell you will go police and you will tell police your make stretch my hand. Me, I know how to take different approach. All this old cargo. Or say now we think of what. And then way for the trap. You go and tell me trap. Well, if whatever 247, I am ready for everybody. legally and illegally. More time wa. Ati wa de obu. Ati wa de dali. A Roman wa ye a de Palestina for Roma. Na there they confirm. Mbu wa. Where you told me you are not married, that you have returned your bride price. Now you invited me to your house. When I invited me, you want to who brought Iyego to be there? Who brought this dirty, stupid woman to be there? I brought Iyego to be there. Momu Iyego at this social media. Momu Iyego la lamplight. Don't know my go. Momu Iyego la social media. I was inviting her on my screen each and every time to broadcast. I opened a YouTube channel for Iyego not up to a week. That YouTube channel got monetized. I was screaming live on that YouTube channel. No way, a woman. Did she told me that she's married? Come here, Garudo. You have me where, or that thing where you are wrong, or what if you to the black president? How would you expect me to go to a married woman house and be sleeping with a married woman when I don't know where or this woman is married? They and the husband, they are still living together in a Yahweh. But how we in your own water? I would not expect where Iyego and Iyego was still in relationship. And I went to Iyego house and I slept with Iyego. And the family was aware. You guys know, do not get sense. Some of them not think. None of them think. Oh, remember the saga women? You don't come here now. All of them, they find how we saga women. Hey, no. It's saga. No. Does not change who I am. And I'm the Chris. No, get up below. No, what can make you think, say, I can't base, I can't run, I can't move my go house? If she was really single, as she claimed, you think I was dating? No. The orientation of Iyego, the sweet word of Iyego, the way Iyego fall in love, the way Iyego like my bola, the way she grab my bola, I cannot die, Jesus. Oh, Vivienne, more Vivienne. If I can talk that, oh God. Hey, wait. My story. We can't office in. In short, Iyego have this virgin office in 2025. Hey, God. I know my drink. I want you. Share this video. 2025 saga. Iyego gonna go disgrace my office. I go disgrace you to the fullest. If you take my last blood to disgrace Iyego for this video, I go do one. Wait. Share the video. This is your corner. So, this my wife no fit time you. This my wife is a very bad girl. You don't understand? West I greet you. Omo, I greet you. I greet every one of you. Tostos, I greet you. I greet every one of you watching this video. Share this video. See, this story with the grand soul. I don't make anybody know analyze them. This is not great topic for ground. See, this topic, if you have a monetized page, you not use this topic to cash out or job for you. You are a muggle. You not concern me. Blast Umenwan, blast Iyego, blast whoever that is involved on this topic. It's your own mentality. You understand? I don't go say make I can't beat you. No. My own issue be say na mama Iyego na me ain't get banamish. You will be live video presenter. Come analyze your own side. I don't get issue with you. That's the truth. I don't get issue with you. If you like, no problem. I don't get issue with you. Normally, if I face you, you go wrong. You know, that's the truth. If I decide me and leave you, I face you. Like that, Emilio Odebe, one of Germany, where you also come and where do be like person where they do gym. You understand? If they do like maybe, if I face you, you know me. If I face you, you know me. If I say I come for you, you know me. You they do like far over leg for one place when you sit down there with the wait for the do cook a mama food when you cook. Those dirty food when you cook for James. I don't know who you cook for. If I change my mind, face you. You know me now. You know me say you don't know me. If you to man you women. I will not govern someone here. You got anywhere. You got anywhere. And you know that they blast you from black to back. Qu'est-ce qu'on a goûté quand il y a bien. You understand? Who kaya channel ya dans les bois or if possible, basically come it no meet. Me and not me give you because I know your pain. Okay, sorry. Sorry now. You should do this to face.
No, sagapes.
Hey, don't do. Yeah, sorry. I was saying you speak to the last person again. If you know verse, my wife said we cannot use speaking to the last person. Sorry. No verse. Sorry, my love. Don't do now. Discuss your face. Sweetheart. Discuss with your husband. Sorry now, sorry. I said sorry now. Okay. Oh, yeah, smile now. Yeah, look my face now. Say she. My wife is basically I use that kind of word. Okay, I say sorry to you and for all those mothers and we never still get children on verse. I'm not saying they use children the last person. I don't know why this command they drive rough. Sorry, no verse. Babe, no verse.
Just close her mouth and let's go beg you. Close her mouth.
Oh, yeah, can't give me peace.
I will give you.
Okay, don't give me peace.
Yeah, first we have a zero there now.
The first we're not zero, man go first we are zero, can do what you will.
I don't like what you talk now. As I will give you to speak into the laughing.
Oh, yeah, give me peace now.
I know they give you.
Okay, then you kiss the stage now. Babe, give me what you. Come on, I pay price. But you leave that same first. If you do that, I'm going to chop. I don't show that same. If you not give me kiss. Oh yeah, give me kiss now. Not the hair. I don't need the hair. I don't need the hair. Oh yeah, smile now. Say cheese. Oh yeah, give me. Okay, if not half, give me. No, I'm not saying you smile again. Don't come give me kiss. Give me spoon, do. Hey, you don't come up for live video. Don't come on my video call for live video. Oh yeah, give me. I'm ready. Oh yeah, give me kiss now. Give me now. Okay, you. I don't like you. Martha. So you're not going to I'll give you not like him. You know why I thought to give you? Now the energy where you do the talk like maybe you see me for England, you will beat me. Number one. Like maybe the brokers where you do this, yes. The brokers again who your brokers don't bring down. You know them. So relax. Saga my go. On your own point of view, beat who you want beat for this video. It's very clear. And also make anybody know analyze the video. Saga you want saga with your own point of view. If you do and say maybe you want to do out of hatred, I will come for you and I will beat you black and blue. That's me for you. I don't get time. You understand? I don't get time. So for that word we are use just now, no verse. Forget say we want to do saga, no verse for that one. My wife not like me, I know like me. Come here now. I say they quarrel with them. All those what they call you, they use on the aganoma beer. I say they use on the quarrel with them. So no verse for that one. Very sorry about that one. You understand? But I said that's issue of or more those things, no verse. Sorry. Now to Omila and Otiti Kialon no soon with the Nebuchadnezzar for national history. Do one act bell. Do I hear analyze a video? You analyze video straight down. Woman like me. Everyone work banana like me. One work banana do. One like me. Don't work banana. That's the most worstest and the stupid animal gonna be. Two of them. And the funniest part, what work banana will be? I didn't first what. Now we saw her girl. Wukbogba. Vaya on face wa here. Vaya on go be here. How would they recognize where my very na gwana? My very no kere. Be la no they won't we kere bedo. They bedo kere no sun go de wa. Titi kere la bona la be bona la jera be jouer gbagbon. They won't kere, they bedo kere bedo. Why you want be going? What back? Oh, you know one side. Here go by girlfriend, Larry. No soon go for national peace story. Here go is I'm so free, 100% free. Nobody can beat you the way me more could beat you for this media. Go and mark it. Here go, nobody go fit beat you because na me call your bekus. Na me draw map of your bekus. Na me make you come. Na me finger you. Na me zoloki can move for side or toto. Your tio. Na me draw can move for side. Now, when I did Germany, here go, waiting you. When you go, the woman when me actually did, the she insult you, una quarrel, abi una quarrel? Question mark. Waiting make una quarrel? Question mark. That's 2 question mark. We answer. Una quarrel, abi una quarrel, una quarrel. Waiting let una quarrel. Now because of I love you. When me and you they do for phone. Okay, now you remove me, you give me house, and you give me land. You dash me land when I deal with another woman. From there, you advise me, say your brother going to help me to build a house. Then I started to use your brother account. Your brother started to collect my money, and they did the work, they did build the house, they show me everything. Everything on my phone. Very soon, I'll be using my laptop. My laptop there, everything did my laptop here. Software they show now the full gist and everything. Now go watch them. Then here you go. You tell me, say, you give me woman, you give me Abigail. You give me Abigail from Cameroon. Very beautiful woman. She get one picking. For Landsberg. Which me and Abigail with the rapport. Then you tell me, okay, make I come. Abigail they live alone. They give Abigail living house. Make her stay with Abigail get documents. If I live with Abigail, I go see there's a small job they do. From there, I go see they do my live video and I'll come give Abigail belle. If Abigail get belle, I put her as the father. They'll give me papers because I pass. Now Abigail get. Now what you tell me? Okay, fine. We got this arrangement. This one say I did this woman have. This one want to give me paper. The best thing I move. That's okay, no problem. When I listen though, the best thing make her move. Now it's no problem. Which you let me understand, say, you and Paego not dig it. Your Paego don't return brand price. You don't remember to Paego. The Paego say don't take. The family is looking at you and take care of your picking. Make you move on. Even including your own niggas brother, that your useless brother, what they call endurance. The same endurance, me and Rapport we talk. Endurance told me everything. How in your Paego take quarrel? How your Paego not they call him again? How Paego will go complain to their brothers? And your senior brother will be lawyer for Nigeria about the brand price of a thing. And that's okay, fine. That means you and Paego not there again. Go. Until I come your house. When I land on your house, we did. Now so we test it back up and down. Then you dey work for one company, they clean one company. Where you dey go in the morning, come back in the afternoon. You will first come back before your children come back for school. Once your children go to school, bam. Now front there, your gate, then car come to pick your children, school bus they come to pick your children. Once you go boom, now so fucking the time. Back. We will not before you go work. As you go work, me and the junior garden, and they do video for that garden. Now we watch those videos where I go play all those videos, I go display those videos, all those videos we are doing for my go house, we are doing for my go street, we are doing for my go territory, the other for my go their garden playground. I go play all for this media. All of them go watch them. Now, if you come for school, from work, bam. Before you go for school, you first collect one fet. Ta. So we knock around your house. One faithful day, 1 week, 2 weeks, after some weeks for our house. Oh boy. The woman when because of her come, when I carry my bag come, say, if we come out, I can't go to the woman's house. You understand? I come and say, man, this useless woman, say, I cannot go see the woman again. He love me. Into the sun. He has cherished me. Hey, oh boy. No, you paper. He go give me paper. If you get just now, he go give me paper. I wash. I listen. I say okay. I sit down. Listen. Frank, which kind of life is this one? You understand? This woman has to make I stay with him. He go give me document. Yeah, go to Italy. We don't different for Italy. Italy nothing do. That's like I go Italy. They share document for Italy. They go Italy. This woman convinced me. Make I stay with him for house. This useless iye go no soon when never. She convinced me make I stay with her for house. This time around, he rather work my house. Now my go house. The woman will be say in account there my documents, my Facebook. The woman paro, call the follow me the verse, block me. I have to change the account, everything. Money they come. If I collect money, like if you go see money, you go ahead boss big. You go see money where they collect every month 4K. You understand? 4K, 5K dollars, 6K dollars. Hey, you go don't know see me money day. A greedy, you go say greedy, love money because of money. Next money, my papa go. You go not love papa go for one day. Now me day here, so now me talk. Yes, I go tell you for free. Not be saga. Now reality, everything where they talking for it. Now what he play, naughty. Where I forget blast me for them, no problem. Agree, inshallah. But the truth, I have to say it out so that I will be free. You gonna get one love for Papa Ego. Papa Ego say use and dump. Sorry to say, I'm not insulting you. Now the family of Ego, now Papa Ego, they use Papa Ego, dump Papa Ego. Like that is they use them. Ego not get sense. He just say he's smart. Me where they inside you, they see what they play between the man where you born picking for. Then what you call expect people you never born for. I call the reason so that this guy has been wahala. I told you my problem. I want to move. I call Olakoko come bring. Mona ask Kevin Olagwe which address he sent in documents to where the child come. And here go ask confirmation code. I got the boss the code everybody know. Everybody know which they belong to. Sharply. Bring document come back. Above. When they bring document come, you go say, make I wait now, make I never come on. You know, say this Kevin get BS. I need to grow my hair for bush where make I see wait to. So I can't deal. Come you go hustle. You work up and down, they go side garden, they work out here, they work out here. Sometimes social go lock me for side toilets. One day social comes, you can't lock me for side toilets. Social, when they come to control house, but I say their neighbors can't go tell social say person, this guy don't carry my come house, or this woman don't carry my come house, or your husband don't come, you understand? He lock me for side house, side toilets. Social talk for part of it, social come out. I still fall out. You understand? I still fall out again. Then, this useless anyway for national peace to run on soon. The man here, the man is so saga. I think my children said now, I mean, because not everything I go fit over here. And so one, and so officially, for us to mouth, when they ask me, I will expose you from the beginning to the end. From the beginning to the end. Erego, sit down, make me get this video. Now, share this video, make it reach, it don't go hard. Oh God. Bible will expose many things to you where you don't know. Where you don't know. What should I mean for put your ear down, me here? But normally, this saga go teach my good lesson. Yes. This saga go teach Mama Ego a big lesson. Erego, that land, that property where you go buy, first, you buy it with your name. Because I know that they go to my own house with that one. You go buy those things with your name, your surname, they the documents clear. So when this glass goes, it gets stage where you can't reach. You yourself, you don't see your body or power, I must say the truth. Understand? It gets stage where you can't reach out of those selfish interests. The way you take the monk, you must say, now you build house for them, now your money take build house, now your children money take buy land. All those land where they call it the Bugasin get estates for Lagos. Now your children money take build down. 2 of them suffer together. Now the woman is enjoying the wealth alone. It doesn't want to enjoy. The woman can't get this mentality for it's okay. This man will collect this land for your hand in future. This woman tell your brother for Lagos, make your brother change the name with that property to his own and his father's name. You understand? So the bank accounts play. Come tell me and say why now? I say so. What's the man to talk? Wigbo. See what Wigbo they do. I say okay, no problem. It don't concern me. Na family issue. You understand? Na family issue. Okay, good. Then when I see the way this one be, until you call, you can't talk, say, you know the day where they talk, so don't say you go remember. She typed her word that day. Now me the phone deal with for hand like this. As I see the call, I just like, how long? So somebody they call he run out from the bedroom, he carry the phone. No pick him, no pick him. He said, pick him, no talk, no talk. Now my baby papa. Now I'm ready to talk. I this bedroom. I put my ear for the door. I listen. I go say, okay. So this woman they follow this man, they rap all. When they come on, I was like, why you think to make you open clothes, make see breasts? If you from another, he said no, they're not make go. It's because the children they call them, you know now, and you don't fit us because man not deal with them again. May he come the round from seeing the children. May not drive to see the children. You need to see the children. You need to talk to the children now. You know how smell the business. I see the beggar. I say no want again. We don't just settle the issue, so we don't want again. But it's sometimes when you just come, if you just come, you just beg me. I beg now and show me breast. My pray just stand. I say, no one it's up to you. Me, I don't get the sense. I don't get the skill and say maybe this man still wants this woman. Now this woman now say no, they want this man again. Based on things women want to do for embassy. Now the same year go give me the connection of your husband. Make go help me run all those things for embassy. Right from Abuja, the man run everything come. So when I call this Italy bar, I can't go be the man. Team, let me the man see 101. The way the man say follow me for a talk. Now I continue to say this man and this woman, they see the date. The man tell me say they get problem. Papa I go open up to me say, he and the woman they get problem. You understand? I say okay, no problem. But the video I didn't say the man I don't want the woman. The woman don't want the man again. The thing is obviously clear. Iyego don't want Erego again because Erego Bola on the work again. That was what leads to the quarrel. Because the man Bola on the work again, to the extent the man who buy Dido give him, make into the come. You understand? So the woman recorded this man keep her own husband. She recorded her husband. She forwards something to me. You understand? If I don't play, it go delete him. If I don't play, it go delete him. That is Iyego for you. She record her husband. When her husband they talk. When the husband buy Dido, come give him. She recorded everything. For purpose, for future purpose. For days like this. For days like when Erego come on for live video for the platform. She recorded everything. Keep. You understand? Then I can't see this man, this woman, the man. No, for real, the man wants the woman back. Me, I was not trying to see how fit to this Iyego. Iyego no. Iyego go testify. Say now, since when I go embassy, now I'm not going to follow on the flow again. As it is before. I'm not going to flow well with her. The way we used to be. Because I don't see and say, man, this woman, he and the husband they still deal with her. They still deal with her. Now, here go still have the mentality upstairs. Say now me. You know where? You know where the whole thing scatter. After I don't scatter everywhere. Iyego don't come up for life, they can't talk, say, Ian, Erego not take gig bam. Now, Iyego want me back by fire, by force. Iyego want me back by fire, by force, with speed. She wants me back. Record, though. Hey, 95 record. Wow, yeah, that's not wrong. Don't play. Iyego wants me back. Because the whole world now don't hear say, Ian, Papa Ego not dey again. On a year that he will lay. Since I go down any way, my very go hero. After the live video, then we are any. My very go hero. Unfortunately, me don't go marry my wife. Me dey go problem. This will not let me rest. My people. When I dey one room. When all of them laugh, say, he don't lose the house, so he don't want room. I still make Iyego come. If you go hear my voice, you go just the mess. If you go come for video call, now see, you go just open close for ground like if you see breast. If you see you go breast to go long. A long, I hear you. If you see breast. Who does it? On your laga logo. A laga logo. Miemwenwe. It is a I suck bombi. I tire. I see bombi. I run. Oh, you go for or bien when I do have viola. Or have you or have funny when he just I know whether we woo. Frankie. Omenwan na we told me but na Omenwan. Oh, Omenwan no mozo. On na we told me we bo. See you see breast. Ina ayo be vaja lemwe. Ina ayo be vaja lemwe you know. Emu yego. Oh God. I do my beer. Yego can you laugh your live video. Yego say in the tell me cannot do saga. He like seriously? Yego now your house I day where the kyo saga. Your own ass now day where the banon people at the begbo. You the screenshot people they send for me. You the record people they screen record people they forward to me. Where I think they kill saga. Oh God. 3 to 2 for me there. West Swiss do not use laugh keep it. See big head. This is not joke. You want to popular. Here go the adulterous woman. Shameless she goes. Agbihwe yoko. Tuzua at your age. Grandmother adulterous woman. You don't ashamed of yourself. You are such a shameless woman. I wonder how your in-law will look at our house. Ozwonumakom. Muggle. You will not say you are your husband there because he belong on the walk. Because he belong on the walk. You just see boy for social media. When they dance, they come. Now you take enter me. You saw they buy me clothes for AliExpress. They send me clothes, they send me shoe, they send me this one. Menon Zwonon, Okpanomu de Morusun, or Zwomugu, at this na better woman, Shadam. I don't know, say not die, not daddy. Frankly, no more me. And more in that the Martin of Yana Bagoyo. Tell me. Egenia, where is in no go area. I shift, I move. Now be the problem. Eyego na ekia. Everaro. Obio Sazua nore mucheche Johnson. Mucheche. Yage family wazua family. Na hokbanarwa. Uno na fopa. Don't know why mucheche. Don't know my Sazua. Be gaga. Uncomposed family. Oh, waba, who were responsible? Why balegele, gede. Me na how get me less of Kuzebudi. I go show them. Now when I use my laptop, now I go show them many things. I greet you,
my leader.
I must greet you.
My leader.
Oh, for a good brother.
Got two of my go give away. I will need take your vow. You don't carry my when I will never contribute or Tarkini. I want no double.
Go ahead.
No, Baba, in a way, me having no way. Yeah, no way. Because even now we surprise him at Sumariarima. I will Ugam youngest. Uga Gorian, and I will we are Sulukian. I will because when we are Gorian, also an Asuria macho. No, we winning why. No, I mean, we go solo if I wait. We are winning a party where you all the that one about mine.
And you're welcome. And you're welcome. Umenwan.
Average 2001, 2019. Average the he go away and go out on the year. We're no more than level.
Even me, I said they ask for some.
We have a way, you know, we're not telephone. Or said to me, I'm a view. Mama, what came, Mamma? This 2025. Why keep it or more? Or you must go now, why you monetize the new page you need? Because here go, or the time where your park here, I think we should have a good on your park here to bring you with now. Or see now we need. Why you go show example?
Here we have your all work collecting.
You go feel boy now, why you go show example? Let anybody and they come around this matter. This mama go get what die in 2025 now. Don't know why. I get you.
What must to Toradia? Now, ma you be. You bam. Now, please guys, share this video. Iyego is a very naughty woman. You know. Yeah, can you do where you dead to you there? The Umenwan. Iyego, let me talk say. As far as me, you when go to the B. As far as I climb you, you collect my beautiful daughter.
Daddy, we don't share the video.
Okay. What?
Daddy.
I must greet you, my daughter.
Daddy.
This will not be enjoyment.
Who have your name, guy? That's my daddy, bad guy for you. Daddy, for what I want to know, send me you, my daddy, Naga, fit it up on your page. You know, no, can you imagine? Now you want to tell me now, Daddy, now say, at the age of Mama Ego now 50 something, so shall see they come here house. No, Daddy, no, wait, you know why I talk, no vessel. I'll get one word I want to talk my head, go. Oh, my own father. There's a zato show where everybody know.
They lock for toilet.
So shall come. You go ahead for toilet. That one not plenty for inside though. That time you don't last, Mama go finish. Papa go come. Mama go lock you. Inside toilet. You go. It's all better for you. Oh, my papa.
I don't remember it. In the toilet is how we are so.
Oh, my father. Where will we have got that come outside? You go for a toilet. You go. For you to see my father.
I don't know.
Daddy,
are you?
No. Oh, I call Papa.
When you come out, this at toilet.
Daddy, though, I agree
Thank you. Jesus. Everyone here to get say Don't be joke. It's a toilet guy. Umenwan the toilet master. Oh, no talk. Hey, I don't lie. God will have mercy. Again, I went to go. Papa, there is a toilet. He ain't got me with toilet. He ain't lock me with toilet. Share video, man. Hello?
I want to smile you. Good evening.
I greet you, bros. Did that video?
I said, make I talk to Omila Kim, that useless woman. Omila Kim, you see this matter on ground. You don't have any moral authority to talk for this issue. Because the CCS still there your body. As old as you are, you call yourself a new woman. Woman, be saying, don't they go close to 70? If you cry up for small picking, that's your neighbor. You are a disgrace to the entire Benin women. If you feel open pecus, this not picking online, then you don't have any moral authority to talk for this matter on ground. Shame to you, you are a disgrace to the entire Benin women. And to you, Mama Ego, you just do all this thing, you just sleep with your own godson. You don't even think about the future of your children.
Godson.
Let's say, for instance, now, your daughter, Ego, go into politics tomorrow now. She desires for some kind of political positions. Then her opponents immediately use all these videos to blackmail her. How will you feel as a mother? How will you feel as a mother? Nah, Mama, go shame on you, Shame on you. If I were you, I will let this matter lay low. Go and do the needful. Go and beg your husband. Because you see all this matter, so people who the ginger you say nothing they happen. My sister, at the end of the day, they will abandon you. They will abandon you. Shameless women. My brother, Papa, with this man. Omila Kim, try to remember her sin. All those videos when she say open pecus for that time above. Try to remember her.
No man. It is we don't forget.
Now people like her, they spoil other women. If you want to talk about the atrocious women on the Sabbath streets, Omila Kim is number one. She's the year. She must, of course, she must support Mama Egona because best of the same feather flows together.
Exactly.
Omila Kim, you don't have any moral authority to talk about this issue because you are a useless woman, a useless new woman. As for that, Larry Gwele, how bad you are.
Oh, we are.
Carry on, my brother.
You don't walk on the water. And the truth. We like when one and we're not take go where looking now, the diving wedgie. No, I know we never fit a young boy. Or do I go like the after one sit down? Yakota, where they are. You understand? Here go. In my life, him boy. It's not gonna have a shell. What you are what you way? Yes, now. That's the only grow page. Understand? Grow the page fastly, my guy. Or you may go grow, May rush. Anybody that want to watch your saga, you go to Duduvaga Wahala talk show. You understand? You strike my page. You try to collect my page. Your brother try to collect my page. You know if you collect my page. The next thing where your brother go do, and for your brother to go post blue film on my page. You understand? To condemn all my page. And you not pay me. What me I go do? I remove it for your admin. I put my own bank and card for your own account. So any money when you make, that me go to pay for insulting me. You understand? I'm your boss. I'm the king of the jungle. Don't play with me. You're gonna learn the hard way. You know the story. Hello. Yeah, go there. You go quickly go open that page. Maybe Becky for pack followers for you. Isaga Babosi. I don't care. Me. Hey. Una me go time. Me not boogie time. I go to use the chop my own saga small. I the saga you with truth. If you like, I say, oh, well, Franco, oh, well, second of Jesus, oh, well, oh, we work bad, oh, we don't go, what you law, it don't go. So now, here you go. You categorically know, say me and you were dating. Say for good 31 days, not until last year. Why will you stagger my woman? This is my question to you. Why you can't insult my wife? Why you can't call my wife say he get our enemy get good because? Why you can't say my wife na devil that they send my wife come for me? You go me, you and my wife now. Who was the devil when they sent to my life? Who be the devil when they sent to my life? Abiyewa they date me. I introduce you to Abiyewa as a godmother, which me and you know say with the lash. Mungu for Abiyewa, just know that one no say I the lash you. We the parlor as godmother. I introduce the other Mugu where they for Torino and Napoli as a goddaughter. Why she now me with me and she the double friend girlfriend they open place for me. Abiyewa take that one as a goddaughter. Abiyewa take that Torino Napoli vendors as goddaughter. Why me and Napoli vendors na girlfriend and boyfriend? Then you here go Abiyewa. You know say me and you na godson, goddaughter, godmother. Why unknowingly to Abiyewa say with the lash inside there. So you now they swear Abiyewa name to me. The same person maybe say me I introduce to you. Abiyewa now will come let me know say you na still bad person. The same person see now put it all of no you all confused. So I reason you all around. These are confused, frustrated women in abroad. I pack one for one basket. I go for the chosen one. As Umenwan. All of them sprinkle all of them now bring your head together to join together to come hit my wife or to come fight me. You guys are playing. Oh, you go, why were you insulting my wife? That's the question. What did you do? You the saga on social media, cyberspace. You let me know see my wife na GPC. See my wife belong to GPC gang. The other one with the me and we see my wife now sort of water ministry. The two of my team up. The saga my wife. You go, when are the saga Papillona? Why you can't join the saga Papillona? When you know say you na still victim of the Bola. You na still victim of the Bola. When you know. What? Evil woman. You think you go scot-free? I will disgrace you fully for this media. Mota. More. I call you Magno. Bobo as you. Hiri no. Uinage. Hiri no. Now, look when the chest down. And you feel it now, you confess. You confess the water was so massive, baby. It was so massive. Massive, baby. The water was so ta. You go believe say Jesus can allow us. You go to market. You never confess. That's the truth. The reason why I'm going to beat you because you never confess. Use your mouth, talk everything. Before I'm going to confess. Use your mouth, confess. You're going to the two of us do the things. You, as I confess, you're going to confess. Confess the sin. The screaming of Iego will come one time which I'm not going to watch the saga. When I go start to give Iego screaming, your husband going to say, yes, I really fuck your wife. If they see the husband and wife, you go no say yes, Frank the work go on 31 days, human beings. 31 knocking. You just about beans. Not be once in the night, na ta 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 poo 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 poo. Oh my God! Don't play. I let him go. Oh, Titie cannot zoa. In the new oh, what they do there? You just say, I'll be all those social media like what they do. They're going to look you. If I enter you, now me go bring your picture, come and free. But now only go on. If I enter you, you go hear God. You go no see Jesus Christ, another person. That's you. Yeah, Yego, no, Almighty, where I say a Vera, no Zua, wa soon with everyone, uno bodo. How you take by your first husband? And they call this in their colonizer. You know the truth. I don't lie. All the stories we are giving to me by you. By you. How your husband, they carry drugs. Follow me here. We will call this media, we will come and analyze everything. All the prison where your husband go, what lead to your husband going to prison? We will come here, we will come and analyze it so that make people with their abroad, no Roma, to learn about your evil atrocity. You marry a bad woman. It will disgrace you publicly, privately. Women do plenty. There be problem. They go dodge come shop. If they test and finish, they want crap out of themselves. How can you imagine small boy like me come marry me go for us as wife? What you want to talk? Mama Kevin when I reach 50, where I marry. All of this Eddie. He go cause they call my wife Eddie. She with me they fall. He go. Because one and then he go on. Yes, he because one of smart big. Because he was in was so do. He go now tell he made it. He go now 52 years now to he made. Or he made it no my 70 years ago. You know 52 years. He na leru ni me mare yen. Ye na leru ni me mare yen. Ye na drag me gbinye ni mare yen. How come? He yet gone already 52 years now. You're walking men on my say 50 years in the day with me. I want to do. What yet do I go in? You go in the walking men, auntie, sister. Oh, she's my wife, junior sister. Hello. Una same care for good 31 years. If I bring her, it can't have to boy go. He yet go can't have to boy. Oh, he say hard. Those women with belly. Wait, you see James Ubi say how I tell you just know. We know them now. We know how to claw all those kind of women now. You know the story. This is not what we need to learn. If you want, best I go open class, sex class. All those fat women, I don't think they bang them. Better bang, you know me being so. Get with the bang fat horrible. No, those robots. Go to the bank there. You must be a banger now. You understand? Go to the bank there. Go to the bank slingers. You with a bang or robot. If you bank slingers, you go run. You go use the kind of rope for your ass. You go eat. You go cry. They know. The sling one way this side. They know. That they beg. Oh babe, I'm tired. Please, I'm tired. Babe, I'm tired. I will fail to, I'm tired. Okay, I want to rest. Later. Those slingers, that's not their language be that one. Not their language be that one. If anybody with a bank fat babe, with a large fast babe, they believe, say yes, this guy that really brazzer, they brass way. For cafe, they got a brass way. You brass babe. And the slim babe will know in our story. You go hear word. I swear to God. You say slim babe, they are people the deep way. They are people the deep. You understand? So if you know so you don't get long dollar and you want bank slim babe, be a fast, be a rough rider. You must be a rough rider. You understand? If you do all those kind of guys, they do slim babe, you go waste your time there. You're gonna go feel your vibes. Guy be a rough rider, they knock any hard. So you know they blast down with to they give you pause because you must tire. Once you knock like you pause, then you go to whine. As you whine, they relax, you gain your strength back. You get your strength back. Once you gather strength, you give pause, whine, get your strength. God, that's keys. No, that's things. He sharp, not person on shoot bed. They know the vibes now. Although as I talk so my ex one of the food, they know it's now. So I'm going to they don't say so, but now daddy they don't talk so. Now daddy they talk so. Let my babe they know. Body one with the crease, the one on the crease, so they know. Both the Napoli vendors, all of the bag, all those Papillona vendors, all of them know. Say when I bar shooters. If I shoot, I know they miss bed, they kill him. Clear down. You go no now. You go the crash. As I talk, so you go. This my voice. As they talk now, you go see the use on the con. You go. When you go now, or you be kwa, you poor. As stupid as that woman be. I go the I go the vibes. You go get the weight. You go shoot out make use. You just shoot out make use. You go use on the my live video. Can you somebody the live video they talk with live video the vibes? You go use on the weight. Everyone know they talk about sex. No, remember one time when they talk about where they do connected time. Where they tell guys how to make love with women or more. That program, just one of the program where we say you go to die. You go want just crazy. You go want your crazy. That program where I do. You go and they come, we'll talk now, we'll expose everything. We will expose everything. Let's laugh. We'll expose everything. Everybody go hear story. Story where they don't want, when you be, we have don't hide. See, people not hear. Me, I don't free now. So that's what. I don't lie you. I free like bird. So I free swear. I don't use condom. So you use condom. I don't use condom. As much end, you go come me saying get below, my people. You go tell me saying get below. If you want to use below, you're not so bad. I don't know, some of this women, they not get sense. Some of them not be all. Some of them they not get sense. So you go come me saying get below or more. Hey, last now, me don't get the code. Say me you go see the husband ass. Better you know what? Now you go remove her. We could give us stress, could they buy medicine, could they buy all those to take, blah blah blah. What medicine we go buy? So good, buy this. Now she buy herself to remove them with her own money. Yes, sir. Big I will carry your question with us. You understand? He ain't gonna use our money to remove the smoke pin the one. Many things they will go see. My all drop this vibe this evening. Many you're gonna fix say Frank don't enter because I get many program for hand where the iron. Now me put your pin down or you go matter. But last we still did the matter. 247. This 2025. Ego bloody. Oh, that's the title. Don't forget. Who come for you, come for a non-play, no lily. You understand so? I know use, I know they lie. You understand? I know use. I know use who, I know go lie, I know use. I wouldn't have done the talk. Bro, hello. I greet you.
I must greet you.
What?
You know me? I say, why hypocrisy? They worry most of our Benin people. If you want to talk about this adulterous, let's see when this adulterous issue, they in house. Is there last week?
Yeah, it's the last week.
Atiti, as we talk so, Atiti, brother, wife. Osareme wife, his wife for Jenny here, it also don't finish. Osareme wife is the number one adulterous when you talk about adulterous. If Atiti says it's a lie, make Atiti tell Osareme wife, make Osareme wife come and swear. If they want the Bolongo her focus for Jenny here. Even the Atiti when they talk now, Atiti bride price see their Christian head.
Exactly.
And Christian they use Atiti bride price till the Bolongo they go.
Another person, he wife that will put that man with bride price for your head.
That's why artistic can never. That's why artistic life remain like that. Artistic can never make it in life. Not until that woman don't return that bride price. Artistic will still come and they talk.
God bless you.
Who I don't trust.
Mommy
like
constant.
Artistic. If na lie they talk, tell your brother wife to come out, come swear. If they want the Bolingo Akweku here for Germany.
I want drama. Bros, I greet you. Thank you.
Artistic, tell Osareme wife me come out. I greet you, bro.
God bless you, bros. God bless you. Now, before I end this live video, the reason why I want to do this video Now, because of the comments when Mommy Costa drop, now it make me want to do this video. Now, you see this table, we're going to do this like this now. This table now. Now, center table. Now, 4 square meter table. Now, 2 square meter table. Now, let's say that this edge, now this table is. This edge now, board day, small board day here. From here, go now be the bed. Now, palo, we talk about palo, sitting room. From here, now be the bed. This place now, small place, we say, television day here. But you will not get the television day here. This side now, table day where they put food, they eat food. This one fridge day like this, one small fridge day like this. Bam. Now this place they put mats for ground, mats, not bed. They put small bed for ground when these 2 boys will sleep. The last born and Victor, they will sleep here. You understand? They will sleep here. Here now, here, their mouth will last for here. They give one here, the children today they sleep. The senior one they in room. The senior girl they in one room. The room, the 2 bedroom. Now small room on these 2 rooms. Now small store rooms there. The small boy there with small bed. The girl there with small bed too. While the main parlor, now might go put in own bed. When they sleep, they use wallpaper designer when they see when they do like this so. And that bed for the do like this so. Now bed for the do like this so when they see so. You understand this small space here so. This space now you work out and that's so. This space man, this place, these children they sleep. You understand? Now therefore they fire their mama. We better knock you. Not be saying a story. We better to. Say right now, Sharon. How is it now? Say Lizzie, say I swear you really need deliverance. Me deliverance. Now my God in deliverance. We get Bruno boys for us, carry small boy come and tell us, confuse me, say him not the husband house. Una they just a joke at the talk us now. I want to turn the pain now. If I know say the husband house, I go here, still worry me. At the Chris. First place of the first of foremost, not be even on my go house are supposed to day. Now how big a house is supposed to day? How big a house? Now I'm supposed to day. Now how big a house? Don't be my go house. Michael confused. He turned everything upside down. Unto God, mother. He give me land. He give me land. I dey respect him because he give me land. I dey respect anything with him I go do because he give me land. So I'm gonna do life. You come for life. Say 1 year I'll leave him. I'll bone because of say he give me land. I'm on the talk. This secret day with me is then. He go dey misbehave for me. They not go fit talk. I'm not going to talk. Your husband will complain they give me. You know how many times your husband want to come my platform can't talk? I don't fit talk. I don't fit do one because me and she don't lash and they give me land. You understand? You know how many times the husband supposed to come out from my platform can't speak to the general public. I go pin her down. Because man, this woman give me land and me I don't knock. It means so I want to talk. I want to expose this atrocity. If I did beat another woman, this one will come. They use useless nyama character. They disturb me. They distract me. No go allow me talk. I go on. I greet you. I must greet you. I greet you.
Thank you for wishing me happy birthday.
I will tell you when I may say when I don't answer, but me will say when I don't answer, but me will say.
Very simple. No more just square simple about that. No more just square simple. I understand. We were 2025. You know, why was there again? I understand.
Me like video.
Yeah, we like video. Social media ki we are. We want to know where ki go.
Igbe o. 31 days you are. 31 days you are.
I went back in the eye. We don't want to hear you say.
Eh, when I'm with you, people.
We are saying, understand. Social media. We are saying, Queenie, we must wala janvega ni wulu yekiyebu. If they are more body would set war.
Well, I know my sister what to do.
Social media kiki. I don't put my brother because I am
Okay, nice. I don't know. I don't know.
No one down, no matter where anyhow. But he was past your wife now. Oh, they wanted that woman now. Now, wow, my brother was saying out, baby, I'm a stage where what a star.
Let's do.
We're not expect of where he brought us started social media. Wow, so he went to saw where that brother greet everybody for that.
Oh, wow. Oh, not to do. Oh, this woman to do. All right. No cause of alarm. So I want you to go beg now. Once now I promise everybody will watch me now. I'm saying.